Good day and welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to talk about something very simple. How to use the rivet machine. This what we use for fixing your eyelets. You can use the same thing for fixing press buttons and then cover buttons. These three. But then it all depends on the dice you use. With this very dice, all we can use it for is the eyelets. And so we're going to learn how to do it. I think it's quite simple, but I just learned a new trick about it and I decided to share it with us all. Uh, Usually, when somebody wants to fix the eyelets, what you do is you punch holes into the areas in the fabric where you want to fix the eyelets, and after that, you can place it on this dice and you press the lever downwards. You exert so much force onto it, and then it's able to uh, create that very beautiful look you see on your eyelids. Today, I want us to talk about how to create holes in it using the same eyelet machine or the rivet machine, as we appropriately should call it, the rivet machine. Let's get started. And so, this is our 40th anniversary clock for GNTDA, and I decided to use this. So, let's say this is the space you've created, and then you want to, you know, punch holes into this very fabric and then place your eyelets in them. How do we do it? What you do is you first would place it under the machine like this without putting the eyelets on the dice. So we put this here as you've seen it, and then we give it that press. After exerting so much force, this is what you see. You know, it punches the holes and then cuts it. And so the space is created in it, as you see here. And so now we're going to fix the eyelet in it. We place one eyelet, downwards, and then the good side also goes down. That's the good side of the fabric, goes down like this. And the eyelet also comes with a cover. This is very flat cover. You place it on as well. Then you exert force as you did for the first one as well. And here you are, very beautifully created.